Welcome to Byrappa and Sons. Today I'll be showing you a very lightweight sarees. This is a printed silk and it comes with a hand embroidery with a cut work. And you get a printed blouse. Very simple, very lightweight it is, and you can use it for any occasion purpose. I'll show you the color combinations what I have in the saree. Beautiful light pastel shades, very elegant. These are all also called as summer silk sarees, and these are all washable. So for this season we are coming up with all new designs with new color combinations. Look how beautiful the saree is. And these you get only in the Byrappa and Sons old showroom. So if you get confused, you can please contact me on the number which is displayed. There are many Byrappa and Sons also in Chickpet, so you might get confused all the time. Look how beautiful it is. Comes with a very nice rich pallu with a leaf design. If you like any of this saree, you can always contact me. If you want to know about the product, the price range, everything, you can always contact us. There will be free shipping also throughout India. If you want to order it through online, you can always contact us. Any of your friends, relatives, or anybody who wants to buy this saree, you can always recommend. You can share the video to them. And all of this saree comes with a nice pastel shades. See how beautiful the sarees are. Very smooth, very soft, and very lightweight.